Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm in Paris and I'm so excited to do this unboxing with you because obviously Dior is a French brand. I got my second Lady Dior bag from here, so I'm really excited to do this unboxing with you guys because I don't think I did an unboxing for my first Lady Dior bag. There is an unboxing on my Instagram though, and I did do a review on it, so I'll go ahead and link that one down below if you want to see more about the little pink one that I got for Christmas last year. So this is actually also a gift from my fiance Franz. He loves to spoil me. And no, he's not my sugar daddy. Like, I can pay my own bills, but you know what? If he's gonna buy me a Dior bag, I'll take it, right? Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. I already took this paper thing off the top. Dior always sprays it with perfume. It smells so good. I have to figure out what they're spraying on it. It's probably Miss Dior, but I'm not sure. It always smells good, so that's like a signature Dior thing. This is their new bag. Their older bags had a print that looks like the print that's on my top right now. This is actually from Guess, but it was kind of like that, and that was their holiday bag last year. This one might be like a special bag from Paris because it says the store that I got it from. My French is awful. I've been realizing that because every time I try to order something in French, they respond in English. And that's when you know that you still have a lot to work on with your language. So I did get two of these little Dior scarves, and it's to wrap around my Lady Dior bag. Since it is a light color, it can kind of like get, like, I don't know, the color can transfer on it. It can turn dark over time. So this is just to protect the handles. And I love these double-sided scarves. It's worth the investment to just protect your purse. This is one of the prints that I got. It says Dior right there, and then there's also another side on this side. And I chose this because you can actually wear it as like a scarf if you're not using it on your purse. It's like a thing right now where everyone's like, you know, wearing it like this, and it says Dior on it. So if I feel like being extra, I can use that. And the other one is a red one. It's also double-sided, and it has this print. So on my purse, I would probably wear it like this or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out later, but it looks super cute on the bag. So those are the scarves. So now let's get to the fun part. I had to film this here because I can't wait to use this bag. Like, honestly, the only reason why I had it boxed up is so that I can unbox this with you guys. Otherwise, I totally would have just like carried it out of the store. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this Dior bag. I'm really sad because I love to keep my designer bags in the boxes that they came in inside the dust bag. It keeps them super protected, but there's no way this is going to fit in my suitcase, so I'm going to have to toss it. So here we go. We have a little Dior sticker. We go ahead and break it off. So this is the white ABC Dior Lady Dior bag, and it's from their ABC Dior collection. There's a sneak peek of the bag, but hold on. Let's see what's in here. This is the dust bag for it. It has a beautiful swan painted on it. And then in this book, it has like everything you need to know about how to take care of your bag. It's in almost every language. I see like Japanese, Russian, German, English, Russian. So yeah, this is just how to love your bag. And I don't think I got one with my other purse, but luckily it's in good condition because I really baby my bags. So that was the dust bag and the handbook. So this is the bag. I got a white one. I thought it was white. It's actually like a cream color. As you can tell, the bed, my shirt is white. This is more creamy. It has the gold detailing. The Dior spelled out is still in the wrappers because I just want to keep them protected right now. And usually, I think every single one, it comes with a little bag that protects the top here. This one didn't come with that, but that's totally fine. And what I love about this bag is that it's from the ABC Dior collection, so you can customize the strap. So I'm going to go into the strap for a second. It comes with 3 letters that you can choose, and I wanted Lisa, and you can obviously add as many letters as you want that fits on this strap right here. They were out of L's, so I have to go buy an L from another store. Totally different story, but these are included. 3 letters are included with the purchase of your bag. If you want to get more, I think they're like 50 euros, so like $70 each or something. And yeah, so this is the leather strap. It's definitely like what transforms this bag into like a day bag. And then without the strap, it's more of like a night bag. So I love that it can be either one. It can totally do both. And that's a really good point of this purse. On the bottom, it has the stilettos, the signature Lady Dior stilettos. And the older medium-sized bags, this is either a small or a medium, but the older ones in this size had a zipper that came through here, and it was really hard to access stuff. So now they made it the same way as a mini, where it's like a tongue flap, and I really like that because it's easier to access your things. And there's something else in here. This is a card from Dior. This is just, it's the authentication. So this is the authenticity card. It's stamped and signed by the boutique that I got it in, and the date that I purchased it, reference number. I guess you can call the store to verify that it was purchased in that store. So that's good to hold on to. And then this is another handbook. So it's like a mini version of this big handbook over here. She included this little box. This is what the letters came in. I asked her for a box to store the letters just in case I change them out if I wanted to, but this is the box that they would have come in, but I just had them put it on the bag strap already. So inside the purse, it's cloth. The entrance of the purse, as you can see, is leather. It's lined with lambskin, and then on the inside, like a cloth material, it matches the exterior of the bag. It's just like a printed version of it. And then there is one small zipper pocket that you can fit like credit cards, a card holder, a jewel, and that's basically all that will fit in that pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these scarves onto the purse so you can see what it looks like when she's all dressed up. Okay, so here is the red scarf wrapped around the purse. Obviously you can get like 4 different looks out of 2 scarves because you can flip them back and forth. And you can also wear it with just one strap, or you can wear it with both and be extra. But I really love that, and you can actually make it match your outfits and stuff. I'm about to have like a red moment. I'm about to wear like a lot of red, so I got red. And then this blue one is more like classic Christian Dior, and it matches the cream color of the bag. So in Europe, since we don't pay taxes and we also get a VAT refund, for Americans, if you have a US passport, it comes out to be a lot cheaper. So in euros, the bag here is 2,950 euros. But we're getting about 12% back when we leave the country. You just have to show your passport when you check out, and then you get 12% of that back. So almost about $1,000 cheaper, which is like less than what I paid for that little pink one that we got back in Miami for Christmas. So shopping in Paris, I know it looks like I'm just like balling out, but honestly it's like if we're gonna buy the designer goods, it's better to just do it in Europe because you're gonna save so much money. But it's also dangerous because I feel like everything is like super discounted, and I'm like, oh wow, like in America it's like $1,000 more, so I just want to buy everything. So it gets really dangerous, but tax-free shopping is super fun. That's why you see me shopping all the time in Europe, because I'm just a smart shopper. So I want to talk a little bit about customer service and the buying experience, because I feel like customer service is something that either attracts me or repels me from a brand. One brand that I feel like I would never buy from again is Gucci, because their customer service is just like the worst. Like honestly, I've been to so many stores and they just suck. But Dior, Givenchy, and Louis Vuitton have always been on point with their customer service, and that's why I keep going back. So this time was no different. My buying experience for Dior was awesome. The only thing is that I wanted to go to like the main Dior store that is like super cute. It has like a lot of floors, you know, and like I just wanted to have like a good purchasing experience. But that main store was actually closed down for renovations, so we went to an alternate one. It was right in front of Arc de Triomphe. It was really nice, and as soon as we walked in, we were greeted and they asked us, you know, if we needed anything, and I told them I was interested in getting the Lady Dior bag. So they got me with a sales associate right away, and I love that because you don't want to wait around when you're spending so much money on a bag. So we were helped right away. You know, she gave me options. They finally did come out with a little white one, and I was a little bit torn, but then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get what I came here for, so I don't have any regrets. And I'm really happy with my decision. When I was concerned about the handles, you know, kind of getting worn in, she offered these scarves, which helped a lot. And even though they were out of the L letter for my custom strap, you know, she told me where it was available so we can go to a different store to get it. So she was very, very helpful. She was super on top of it. Of course, they offer you refreshments, and it was just like a really good experience overall. So again, I'm happy with my purchase and obviously the experience, and I feel like that has a lot to do with like how you feel about the bag and the brand and so on. So that was my buying experience. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it on with the strap. We'll do like a little look with it, and then I think I'm done. Okay, wait, so that didn't really go as planned. There's like no space in here, and there's also like a lighting problem, so I had a little bit of trouble filming that. But yeah, this is kind of what the strap looks like. Obviously, I'm gonna go get my L in a second to complete my name on the strap. And that's it. If you guys have any questions about the purse, go ahead and comment down below. I do a lot of bag reviews. I really enjoy doing them. So if you want to, learn more about designer bags and like see comparisons and stuff, then go ahead and review all of the links down below in the description box. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video here in Paris. I hope it was helpful. And if you guys have any more questions, go ahead and just leave them down below in the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.